Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. Here in East Tennessee, the leaves have changed their colors and really starting to come down. So fall is in the air with nice days and very cool nights. So it's very nice to be here in East Tennessee. Today we're working on finishing up our woodshed project. So we are working on slats and putting in the metal roofing. So y'all stay with us.
So we have our boards. We have one edge straight lined, and we're going to put them on the sawmill and see if we can make our 1x4 strips, see if it goes a little bit faster. Our table saw kind of gave up the ghost on us this week, so we're going to try it a different way.
So if you've watched many of our videos, you've seen this growing pile of cutoffs that we have left over after we run a bunch of boards through the sawmill. So we have picked through that big pile of boards and found these boards that we think we can get some 1x4 slats out of. So I have the saw blade set for 4 inches above the bed of the sawmill, and I'm cutting these 1x4 slats and getting as many pieces as we can out of these leftover boards.
So we have a start on our 1x4s. Probably gonna have to cut some more, but that's a pretty good start.
So we have the pressure treated 8-foot boards here on the front section of the woodshed and our own rough cut 16-foot boards on the back section.
With all of the rafters up and the rim boards installed, it's time to start on the roofing slats. The determination paid off because now the slats are done and we are ready for roofing. At the moment, it looks like we are working a jigsaw puzzle, but hopefully this will come together. Let me go get the end of it.
Yeah. If it looks like we're going about this all wrong and putting the metal sheets on the front down first, well, you're right, and we are. But this building was never square, was never designed to be square. So what we're going to do is put the front pieces on first, get it lined up just right on the front edge, and then let the back pieces slide under the front pieces and let them play out wherever they play out on the back edge. And we'll fix that when we finish. Some things just take two people to get the job done, but we love working together on all of our projects.
Starting to come together.
So the plan is to put a row of screws along the front edge of these pieces of metal, and then as we slide in the back pieces, they won't move. Should come together. So that would just about wrap it up for this woodshed. We have a little bit of work left to do, cutting a few of these pieces of metal roofing for each of the two sides, and also put some guttering on to the back. and that will about knock this out. Next up is going to be filling this up with firewood right here next to our wood stove, because as you know, winter is right around the corner and it's about time to fire up the wood stove. So if you'd like to watch our videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, send us some comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.